Hey friends and family, welcome back. If you're new here, thank you for visiting my channel. Please subscribe so you don't miss any videos. In this video, I am shopping with my son, CJ. I'm getting ready to move into a new place and I need to furnish it. I'm not supposed to be shopping yet, but I couldn't help myself. So I brought CJ with me while Sydney was at dance, and now we're looking at decor items. I found some cool things in the aisle when you first go in there. Those quick finds, they're like $1, $3, $5 little things. I found some cool stuff. They had these really cute glass containers that I saw on the way in. This pink one is just adorable. So I grabbed one of those. I'm really excited to move. CJ has some objections to some items I find.
Ooh, trash bag dispensers.
No, we don't need no.
Yes, I definitely need that.
Okay. Yep. Mom just doesn't want to side with me. Mom doesn't even want to say I'm right. We have so many trash bags, but we already have a box for that. What's the point for the dispenser? The box is basically like a dispenser.
Like a dispenser?
Yes.
He always cracks me up. He was so over it. The concept of a trash bag dispenser, he was not having it. He said, Mom, the trash bags come in boxes. So what are you thinking? Anyway, I found some more cute little dispensers that he might find useless, but I thought they were cute. So we kept looking around and shopping. We're headed towards the aisle where the potted plants are. The ones that I saw when I was so inspired, and I'm like, yes, I gotta go back. You see those? They're so cute. I didn't know if they were gonna change with the season or if I was gonna miss out. So I'm like, I must return and get me some of these little plants. They're artificial, but I think they're adorable, cute little decor pieces. So I really was fond of that gold one that I grabbed here. Yes, I just love decorating. And I like how they had little complementary pieces that went together. I saw some trays. There's a tray coming up that I thought was super cool. It kind of reminded me of like an acrylic pour painting. Here it is right here. I thought that was really pretty. I don't know where I'd put it though. It doesn't go with the color scheme. It kind of looks more like my current apartment. And CJ is still here cracking me up.
I want to drink a cactus.
You want to drink a cactus?
Yeah, can't you drink out cactuses? But you have to have a certain type of cactus to drink it.
He was really making me laugh the whole time we were shopping. He's hilarious. It's fun shopping with a kid. So I saw these and I'm like, maybe I can make a whole nother vase to complement the other vase that I must have. So I'm checking them out, trying to see what fits, to make myself a little arrangement. That one was too small. So I went down the aisle here and I found this massive white one and I'm like, yes. So I'm definitely getting that. I put some of those little artificial pink plants in there. And yeah, I thought it would match really pretty with the gold pot with the little pink pieces. I am obsessed with coffee cups, tea cups, any type of mug, and I keep seeing these and I think they're so cute. I don't know if they're seasonal, so I'm going to get some of these. They're pink with the little gold rim. I think they're so cute. CJ wasn't very entertained, but he can have his own cups. I'm definitely getting some of these. I don't even know what these teas taste like, but I think the boxes are so cute. And this one here is raspberry, and I really like raspberry hot tea, so I'm definitely going to try those. So I recently bought this set with these two skillets in it that were pink, and I like them. They work really well. So I'm thinking about buying the whole set because I really want some pink in my kitchen. So yeah, they have the entire kit there. And then I saw these black and gold. So ultimately I put them both back because I'm undecided, because that black and gold almost changed my mind. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do pink or black and gold. I'm thinking pink because that was the plan and I kind of want to stick to it. But yeah, that black and gold looked really cute. So of course I had to take me a little Starbucks break because Starbucks is in Target. So I had to do it. I got my white mocha with caramel. She almost spelled my name wrong. I don't know how you misspelled Denise, but believe it or not, it happens a lot. I'm looking at more potted plants because I'm obsessed. I'm not even gonna lie. I can't deny something that I really like. Found some more cute items to kind of go along with the aesthetic that I'm looking for. I'm leaning towards like pink and white and gold. Yeah, and I think these would really complement. Definitely going to get me one of these because it's giving tea party vibes. I love it. Brunch, anything like that, yes, need. I'm looking at all of these little canisters for the counter. Again, I'm not supposed to be shopping, so I'm probably going to need an intervention because I'm already looking at stuff. Found a bunch of cozy pillows. I love these round white ones. They were so soft. And then coming up, you'll see me find some other ones that kind of feel just as soft and complement. My great grandpa bought me one of these blue ones some years back, and I had no idea what I had when I got it. But when I tell you I need and want another one, yes. It works so well. It looks so cute. And they're like $450. I was like, oh my God. But yes, I need another one. So I'm looking at some small appliances and things like that. I love clear storage containers. Bright Room is this brand, and they have so many different options. And now they've got some that kind of have different colors too. Like they've got some whites, they've got some wood. I'm like, okay, it's changing a little bit, but I really love Bright Room's collection of organization pieces for your home. It's really dope. You got everything you need. You can store everything away. I thought these boards were super cool. I really can't wait to have guests and cook and do all types of fun stuff, events and parties. I'm really a brunch girl, so definitely gonna have some brunch events. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I can't wait to move so I can do a haul and an unboxing so you guys can see what exactly I picked out and how I decorated. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Bye.